Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Travel Explorer and we're back with another video. Listen, I know you're itching to get out there, explore the world, see new places, try new things. Trust me, I feel you. But before you start packing those bags and booking those flights, we got to talk essentials. Yeah, you heard me right. The stuff you absolutely cannot forget if you want to make your international trip as smooth as a freshly paved road. We're talking those little lifesavers, the things you don't think about until you're stranded in a foreign country wishing you had. All right, first up, the most obvious one. But hey, sometimes the obvious needs repeating. Your passport, this little book, this right here, it's your golden ticket to the world. Make sure it's updated, no ripped pages, no coffee stains, you know the drill. And here's a pro tip, check the expiration date. Seriously, do it now. Many countries won't let you in if it expires within 6 months of your trip. Don't let an expired passport clip your wings before you even take off. Next up, we're talking travel insurance. I know it sounds boring, but trust me on this one. Think of it like a safety net for your trip, a financial airbag if things go south. We're talking medical emergencies, lost luggage, cancelled flights, all that not-so-fun stuff. Having insurance means you won't be stuck footing a massive bill if something unexpected pops up. Get yourself covered, print out that policy, and keep it handy. All right, let's talk tech. You've got your phone, your camera, maybe even a drone all ready to capture those epic travel moments. But hold up, what about the power? Different countries, different plugs. It's a recipe for a dead battery and missed memories. Enter the universal adapter. This little guy's a lifesaver, letting you plug in anywhere in the world. Trust me, you don't want to be that person desperately searching for a compatible outlet while your phone's on 1%. Now let's talk health. If you're on any prescription medications, make sure you've got enough to last the entire trip, plus some extra just in case. Keep them in their original packaging, along with a copy of your prescription, just to avoid any hiccups at customs. And while you're at it, pack a basic first aid kit, band-aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, you know, the essentials for those minor mishaps. And being prepared is key, people. Last but not least, let's talk travel guidebooks. Yeah, I know, we live in the age of smartphones and Google Maps, but trust me on this one, a good travel guidebook is like having a local expert in your pocket. It's packed with insider tips, hidden gems, local customs, and all sorts of cool stuff you won't find just by searching online. Plus, it's a great way to disconnect from the digital world for a bit and really immerse yourself in your destination. There you have it, folks, your essential packing list for an epic international adventure. With these must-haves in your backpack, you're prepped for anything. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth and unforgettable trip. So pack smart, stay safe, and get ready to create some incredible memories. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace! With these essentials in your bag, you're all set for an amazing adventure abroad. Safe travels.